Hello my creative people! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this cute and interactive birthday card with sliding mechanism. Let's start with the base of the card. I'm making my card 9 by 12 centimeters and you can see everything with all the measurements on the screen. First, I cut out a strip. This will be the handle that will pull in this card. Then I move on the main piece of the card. Here I carefully cut along the outline in 3 sides. Next, I score the horizontal lines. I'm using a nail dotting tool, but if you don't have one, a pen that doesn't write or even a toothpick works perfectly fine too. After scoring, I gently fold all the lines. Then I assemble the mechanism. I take the handle piece, add a small amount of glue just on the very tip and attach it to the end of the moving part of the main card. Then I apply glue around the frame of the card and carefully place another 9 by 12 centimeter rectangle on top. Then you pull the handle, the mechanism works. And now we have to decorate the card. You can decorate your card however you like. This is just my version and a bit of inspiration for you. I draw a small birthday cake and color it using alcohol markers. Once it's done, I cut it out along the outline. I also decorate the card itself and write a birthday message inside. For the cake, I apply glue only to the bottom half, leaving the top part free, and attach it to the moving section of the card. And just like that, we have a cute interactive birthday card. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye!